Welcome to Lesson 72, Finding Information to Solve Problems. I love solving problems, and math problems are really, really fun. It's like having a puzzle and trying to come up with an answer. The steps are always the same. First off, you really need to understand what it is you're working towards. What information do you need to find out? Then when you've got that idea, then you make a plan for how to get that. And then we solve it and we can check. So let's look at our information and understand what it is we want. The school elections were held on Friday, February 2nd. Awesome. Tehana, Lily, and Tarek ran for president. Lily received 146 votes, and Tehana received 117 votes. Tarek received 35 more votes than Tehana. So I'm going to write down what I know. Now, first off, do I really need to know? Some of this information is not terribly helpful for me. That it was on Friday, February 2nd, they just add that. But I am going to write down Lily was 146. And then I'm also going to write down, I'm going to move this just a little. I'm also going to write down Tehana was 117 and Tarek is 35 more votes, which if I were to look at that, I could make a little equation. Tarek equals Tehana's votes, which is 117 plus 35 more. And that gives me, when I add these up, I get 152 votes when I add them up for Tarek. I hope. Let's see, put an S there. As I look and compare between 146, 117, and 152, I automatically can see that Tarek received the most votes. Okay, that was fun. Let's go to our next problem. Terrell did yard work on, let me erase this, guys. I've got a few things that I need to erase. Tarek did yard work for 3 hours. Terrell did yard work for 3 hours in the morning and 4 hours in the afternoon. He was paid $6 an hour for every hour he worked. How much did he make? I've got to erase this. I was messing around earlier. Okay, we're all clean. Let's go. First thing, how many hours did he work and all? It says here he worked 3 hours in the morning and 4 hours in the afternoon. So we know 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4, I'm jumping the gun, guys, is 7 hours total. How much did Terrell earn in the morning? So if he's making $6 an hour and he worked 3 hours in the morning, that would be $18. Not too shabby. How much money did Terrell earn for the whole day? Well, we already know that he's worked 7 hours for the whole day. So we say 7 hours multiplied by $6 an hour, and that gives us $42 total. I love, 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 love math word problems. So, because they really reflect real life, and I want you to keep an eye out for your own problems like this in your life. And once you know how to do them, you can solve everything. Hey, take care. Good luck on your homework.